Install the print drivers and software for your wireless HP printer and connect it to your wireless network with a temporary USB connection. First, power on the printer. Do not connect the USB cable from your printer to your computer until prompted in the installation. If you previously connected the USB cable, disconnect it. Navigate to the necessary driver installation file on your computer that can be downloaded from support.hp.com. Open the file to begin extracting the installer. Windows might ask you to confirm if you want If a 1, 2, 3 Connect screen appears, click Continue. From the Software Selections screen, you can customize your software installation by clicking Customize Software Selections. HP recommends installing all software to get the most out of your printer's features. Click Next. Select the checkbox to agree to the terms and then click Next to begin the software installation. The selected software and driver installs. At the Connection screen, select the wireless option and then click Next. The installer checks your network configuration. When prompted, connect the USB cable. Connect the square end of the USB cable to the printer and the flat end of the cable to any available USB port on your computer. Information. Click Next. Select Yes to confirm your wireless settings and then click Next. The installer applies your computer or router information to your printer and completes the network connection. Disconnect the USB cable top. The HP Printer Assistant allows you to view ink levels, adjust printing options, adjust scanning options, and provides other helpful tools. The printer is now ready to use.